So hey guys, welcome to MathSimp, and this is a question from JEE Mains 2023, and the question asks for solving this expression. Before starting the question, let's write some sequences. E power x equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial and so on, and e equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial and so on. E inverse equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial and so on. You can write e plus e inverse by 2 as the sum of all even terms, and e minus e inverse by 2 as the sum of all odd terms. Sigma n equal to 0 to infinity 2n square plus 3n plus 4 to the whole divided by 2n factorial. You can write this as summation n equal to 0 to infinity 2n into n by 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial, summation of n equal to 0 to infinity of 3n by 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial plus 4 into summation of n equal to 0 to infinity of 1 by 2n factorial. Here 2n cancel, n cancel, and you can write this as sigma n equal to 0 to infinity. Here you should divide with 2 and multiply with 2 here, 2n by 2n minus 1 factorial plus 3 by 2 of sigma n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 2n minus 1 factorial plus 4 sigma n equal to 0 to infinity by 1 by 2n factorial. Here 1 by 2 summation n equal to 0 to infinity 2n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2n minus 1 factorial plus 3 by 2 of this expression just looks like the sum of odd terms, that is 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial plus and so on up to infinity plus 4, and this expression looks like the sum of even terms, that is 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial up to infinity. You can write 1 by 2 summation n equal to 0 to infinity 2n minus 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 factorial plus 1 by 2 summation of n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 2n minus 1 factorial plus 3 by 2 into sum of all our terms equal to e minus e inverse by 2 plus 4 into sum of all even terms, that is e plus e inverse by 2. Here 2n minus 1 and 2n minus 1 cancel, half into sigma n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 2n minus 2 factorial plus half into this expression is the sum of all odd terms, that is e minus e inverse by 2 plus, you can write this as 3 by 4e plus 2e minus 3 by 4e inverse plus 2e inverse half into this expression just looks like the sum of all even terms, that is e plus e inverse by 2 plus this is e by 4 minus e inverse by 4 plus this is 11 by 4e plus 5 by 4 e inverse, which is equal to e by 4 plus e by 4 plus 11 by 4 e plus e inverse by 4 minus e inverse by 4 plus 5 by 4 e inverse, which is equal to 13 by 4 e plus 5 by 4e. This is the answer to this expression. Let's check through the options. Fourth option is the answer. Thanks for watching.